Ever finished cleaning your room in record time, then realized you missed a whole pile of socks under the bed? Yeah, me too. That's a classic case of being cursory. Hey there, word explorers. Welcome back to Word of the Day. I'm here to sprinkle a little curiosity into your vocabulary. So, what's today's word? Say it with me. Cursory. That's cursory. It kind of rolls right off the tongue, doesn't it? But what does it mean? Well, let's dive in. If something is cursory, it means you did it super quickly, maybe too quickly. You just glanced over it, barely paying attention. Imagine your teacher asks you to check your homework. You give it a lightning fast look and say, "Yup, all done." But then, you realize you skipped question 7, your handwriting is wild, and you wrote dog instead of log. Oops! That's a cursory check. Fast, but not thorough. Now let's make this stick with a fun analogy. Picture this. You're at a buffet, and you want to taste everything. But you're in a hurry. So, you sprint past each dish, poke at a few with your fork, barely taste anything, and call it a meal. Did you really experience the buffet? Nope. That's a cursory visit to the buffet. You saw the food, but you didn't really savor it. Or think of superheroes. If the Flash was your study buddy, he'd zip through the textbook in 5 seconds. But ask him what chapter 3 was about. He might shrug. Speed isn't always your friend, especially if you want to truly understand something. Cursory means you rushed through, missing the juicy details. Okay, story time. Meet Max, the world's fastest homework doer. One day, Max is in a hurry because his favorite show is about to start. He skims his history assignment, writes George Washington was a cool guy, and calls it a day. The next morning, his teacher asks, "Max, what can you tell us about George Washington?" Max freezes. All he remembers is, "He was a cool guy, apparently." The class giggles. Max learns something important. Being cursory means you often miss out. And sometimes, it's pretty embarrassing. So, where do we see cursory in real life? How about a quick glance at your phone notifications without reading them? Or when scientists do a cursory check of their notes before an experiment and end up mixing the wrong chemicals? Even in sports, a cursory warm-up means you might pull a muscle. It's everywhere. Let's lock it in. Cursory means doing something quickly and carelessly, missing important details along the way. If you love discovering this word, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another word of the day. I'll be here, but I promise, no cursory explanations.